In this video, we will talk more about sustainable food sources and in particular lab-grown meat. We will talk about multiple aspects of the topic. What are sustainable food sources? Essentially, they are food sources that can be manufactured without endangering the environment. They matter because the way we now produce and preserve food is unsustainable and contributes to a series of environmental problems, including climate change, pollution, etc. Examples of sustainable food sources can be whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, organic food, and lab-grown meat, etc. There are a variety of ways to produce sustainable food sources, such as organic farming, agroforestry practices, and managing whole systems and landscapes. UCSUSA, Union of Concerned Scientists. These products are important because eating sustainable food can significantly improve our health and nutrition, reduce hunger, and protect our environment. In this video, our focus will be on lab-grown meat. What is lab-grown meat? Lab-grown meat, also known as culture meat, is meat that is produced in a lab using animal cells. Instead of from slaughtered animals, there are quite a few different types of lab-grown meat, including beef, pork, chicken, and fish. Although the technology to produce lab-grown meat is still in infancy, it has the potential to be a sustainable way to replace conventional meat production in the future. Producing lab-grown meat has its pros and cons and impacts our world or society environmentally, socially, and economically. So next, I will talk deeply about the different aspects of lab-grown meat and their advantages and limitations. Producing lab-grown meat is believed to be more environmentally friendly than rearing live animals for conventional meat. Some of the most obvious advantages that lab-grown meat has brought to us are the reduction in land requirement, less usage of water, and the reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. Lab-grown meat can produce significantly less greenhouse emissions compared to conventional meat. A study by the University of Oxford found that it could be produced with up to 96% lower greenhouse gas emissions. This is because the manufacturing of lab-grown meat does not require a big amount of land, water, or energy. The study also found that it could require 45% less energy and 99% less land used. The remaining land could be used to do many other things, such as vertical farming or agriculture. Lab-grown meat has also the potential to be more environmentally friendly than traditional farming. However, there are still some limitations to it that need to be considered. The land use of lab-grown meat production facilities should be taken into account, even though it is expected that lab-grown meat production will occupy less land than traditional meat production. The construction and operation of these facilities will require land, and the waste products they generate will need to be handled. Another limitation is energy consumption. One of the critical concerns related to lab-grown meat on the environment is that producing lab-grown meat requires profuse energy, and the current most common method of producing energy is by using fossil fuels to heat and aerate the bioreactors. Burning fossil fuels contributes to climate change and could release more greenhouse emissions than traditional farming, according to BBC Science Focus. Therefore, scientists are trying to discover a new, greener, cheaper, and safer way to produce lab-grown meat. We will discuss the social and economic impacts of lab-grown meat in our next episode, so please stay tuned.